Hello everyone, this is Sama again, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can extract the audience, basically people who comment on a particular Facebook post. So let's click on create a campaign and choose Facebook post add or comment this time and get a URL of a Facebook post. I'll use this post that has 7 comments on it, so let's copy this URL and then send them the friend request. I'll skip this part very quickly because I have done this in my previous videos, so don't forget to check them out. That's it. So now the campaign is created. It'll start scanning audience. It takes about 10 minutes, so I request your patience at this step, and soon it will start sending out the friend requests. Okay, after 10 minutes the campaign has started scanning the audience. Actually, it has finished the scanning audience. There were people who commented multiple times, so there were total 7 comments on my post, but it takes out 4 audience because there were 4 unique people in that particular post. So now that it's scanning, and it'll send out the friend request shortly on this campaign. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next one.